Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself ID. Today I am going to tell you about ACST or AST. दोस्तों, what is ACST or what is AST? दोस्तों, both things are same. Like AST means average handling time or ACST means average call handling time, but the things are same. Okay, so why it is needed to calculate? So friends, if you are working in any company or any process, it is very mandatory to calculate the duration for closing a case or for closing a solving a call. Okay, so every process has this type of duration mapping that is called AST. So today I will tell you about AST. Okay, so AST, there are lots of types of AST in inbound voice process, in outbound voice process, in chat process, or AST in backend or back office process. Is it be yes or no? So first I will tell you about inbound ACST or outbound ACST. Friends, so if we talk about AST, there are three components. First is talk time, second is hold time, third is web time. It means ACW time. So friends, if you talk about AST has a sum of three components, which I already told you: talk time, hold time, and wrap up time, and it be divided by the total answered call. You mean if you are working in inbound voice process, then definitely you will answer a call, 2 call, 3 call, 5 call, 10 call. And what is the total time to spending on that call? Okay, that is called AST time. And once we divided the total number of calls, once we divided the total sum of total spending time divided by total number of calls, that is called AST time. Okay, so in inbound process and outbound process, both the process are same. Okay, the motto of today's video is to tell you about AST in chat process, because I have already made a video in AST for inbound and outbound process. You can go in my channel and go to in video list, and you can find the AST with the good example and the total calculation process with its definition. So in short, I told you the AST here, but now I am trying to tell you about ACST in chat process. Okay, so friends, if you are new viewer for my channel, for my today videos, then I request you, please subscribe my channel Development and More by ID, because I am here giving you some updates on MIS or WFM and more things. Okay, that will definitely help you to improve your growth or improve your knowledge, or if you are working anywhere or not working here, it will be definitely help you. Okay, so we online just check the things. So now I am telling you about ACST in chat process. Friends, you know about chat. It can be through through WhatsApp, through any application, through Messenger. That is called the chat. Okay, so there are two types of chats there. First is normal ACST. Okay, once you are handling only a single chat, okay, and you have started the chat from 7:10 p.m. okay, and chat has been ended on 10, 28 and 22nd, then the total duration of that chat has been 18 minutes and 22 seconds. So that is called the ACST for that single chat. That is called normal ACST. Once you are handling, actually there are types and there are a process to handle single chat or multiple chats. So once we have the advisor in chat process, the operation admin has decided who will handle the single chat or normal chat, who will handle the multiple chats. Okay, so the advisor who is handling the normal chat, that can be taken already with the single chat. Okay, so he has spent 18 minutes and 22 seconds in single chat, that is called the ACST in chat process. Okay, so it is called normal ACST. Now I tell you about multiple chat handling ACST. Suppose we have started chat 1 at this time. This is 7:10 p.m. Okay, and the chat ended time in 7 p.m. and 28 minutes and 22 seconds. Okay, then again the chat second start in between of handling the chat first. That chat is started on 7 p.m. 11 minutes and 38 seconds. Okay, and that chat can be ended and 7 p.m. 26 minutes. Okay, so like this the third chat is also came on 7 p.m. 16 minutes and 19 seconds and has been ended on 7 p.m. 19 minutes and 41 seconds. Okay, so you can check here the start time and end time of that particular chat for the one by one. Chat 1 is 18 minutes, chat second is 14 minutes, and chat third is 3 minutes. Okay, so these three chats has been handled by a single advisor, and he is multiple chat handler. Okay, so he has spent 36 minutes and 6 seconds for handling these three chats. If we divided these three chats by the if we divided this time, spending time, by the 3, because we have handled 3 chats, we spend this time in handling the 3 chats. So we have divided here by 3. Okay, so the total ACST time, average ACST time has been result out 12 minutes and 2 seconds particular per chat. Okay, that is called ACST. And this all process comes under concurrent ACST. Once we are handling the single chat, is it called normal ACST, and once we are handling multiple chats in single time, that is called concurrent ACST. So friends, I hope you enjoyed my video and you got to know about ACST in chat process. If you want to learn more about ACST, you can see my video for the inbound process, outbound process. I have made video for ACST, and for the chat process there are only 2 types. One is normal ACST, second is concurrent ACST. So once we are handling multiple chats, that is called concurrent ACST, and once we are handling single chat, that is called normal ACST. Okay, so friends, how would you like this video for the ACST in chat process? Please write us with the comment box in our videos. We'll wait for your responses. Thank you for watching this. Thanks again.